Welcome to Lesson 56, Solve Inequalities Using Addition and Subtraction, Part 1. So we're going to mix up the operations. Lesson 56 of Algebraic Concepts. Now here's our objective, our vocabulary, our rules and notes. Again, the solution sets, this is what they look like. Any variable or any comparison that is underlined gets a closed circle. That means it includes the number. Anything that is not underlined gets an open circle, which means it does not include the number. Okay. But we notice from addition, we subtract 8 from both sides, and n is bigger than 6. So our solution set includes all numbers bigger than 6, but not including 6. Okay, so we're going to add 9 to both sides. So we got 13 is smaller than n. We're going to flip everything around because we can do that. N is bigger than 13. The mouth still eats the same direction. The mouth eats the bigger number. So now let's graph it. We put a 0. And we put a 13 on the number line. All numbers bigger than 13 satisfy the inequality. And so what you have to remember is that a solution to an inequality is a set of numbers. An equation will give you one number, even though we solve inequalities the same as equations. An inequality will give you a set of numbers. So it's all numbers bigger than 13. All right, those were our 2 examples. I will see you at the end of the video for a recap. Okay, so d plus negative 3 is the same as d minus 3 is greater than or equal to 2. Add 3 to both sides. D is greater than or equal to 5. Graphing it, greater than or equal to includes 5. It goes to the right. There we go. All right, subtract 12 from both sides. Y is less than or equal to 21. There's 0. It's 21 for reference. We always put a 0 for reference. And the variables on the left, so our comparison will match the arrow. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for part 2. If I moved a little fast in this video, please go back and watch one-step inequalities. There were 2 videos before this. Thank you and subscribe.